Hey guys, this is CoBuystedt over at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you the North Trail 25 RBP. So let's take a look at the side here. You got your through storage bay right there. This is massive. I don't have this often. I guess the best way to put it is you get your slam latches on your bay right here. So you can just slam the bay door and it just latches easily. Another upgrade we have on this guy is you can actually extend the jacks through a motor. As you can see, it's lowering right now. And that's gonna put it down to stabilize you from a switch, not manual crank. You have an awning that starts here and goes almost all the way to the end of the rig, and two speakers right there as well, so you can listen to music outside. If you notice, the wheel span is just barely spread apart a little bit more than typically you'll run into. The design for that is when you have this wheel closer to your truck, then you have less tongue weight on your truck. But it is true though that you're not going to be as like jackknifey and maneuverable and stuff. Cause when they're closer together, you can kind of just bend them around a lot easier. But if you're not going to be getting into this situation often, that is awesome. Helps your truck out a lot. Right here, you got this little counter space that extends out in your refrigerator. You got a second set of jacks with a motor as well. Right here, you'll put on a grill, so you can just swing it out and you can still cook. It's just not built into there. It does have a propane hookup down there as well, if you want to set up a grill. Okay, so coming into the rig, you have this little dinette area right here. You have a little booth seat, and then you have two chairs, a little table right here, this elevated countertop right beside it. I love that. You can already see putting your glasses here or something while you sit there and hang out. I love this two-tier sort of countertop space setup anyway. I think it's pretty cool. Cooktop, 3-burner stove. Great backsplash design. The color palette in these are amazing. You get your microwave right here. It's got the fan, the light thing, and you got a oven right here as well. Got 3 drawers. 1, 2. Third one is even bigger. Side-mounted heat ducts. That's gonna be nice. When the duct is in the ground, you just have to clean it out a lot. There's a lot of reasons why those are nice. And then more counter space on the side of your sink, as well as a big one sink. I love that. You got counter space all the way in the back. This is perfect little corner for a Keurig machine and a wall plug right there, so you can just set that up. That's like the perfect spot. Cabinetry all above. Of course, these are not separate cubbies. They connect, but this one extends back there. That's something I want to show you. So you can see it goes super deep back there. I wonder if it even connects. It does. That's super cool. I love the glass too that they put with the cabinets. It just makes it feel really nice in here. Now coming onto this side right here, you got the refrigerator and the freezer. I opened them backwards, but you know what I mean. You have a cubby right above, and you have this total pantry with 2 drawers below. Just like that. I'm gonna move on back here, going into the bedroom. This is a king-size bed. You can see it's still in the wrapper. Memory foam, very comfortable. Now over here, let's squeeze you in and just barely close this door. You see I have this little cubby space right here. TV backer location. This is where you would screw in a mount, and then you'd probably put your TV facing this way at the bed. Hookups right here as well. And then you have these little, I shouldn't say little, they're actually pretty spacious. Place to stack your clothes and your shoes. Your shoes actually have a cubby hole at the ground. Let's see if I close this, you'll probably be able to see it better. Right there. And then this is a shirt closet. It's got a hanger inside too. Still, you get the side-mounted ducts and all that as well. Now you get cabinetry all above, but they cut this right here all the way to the end, so you have this whole rail for you to put your stuff, like your phone or whatever you're thinking. And then if you come, oh, I don't know that I ever showed the couch, so just take a peek at that. That's really nice. This is a height of bed. At these 2 seats, it's going to come out and make a bed. And then you'll have like this to lounge on still. And then if you come right over here too, this is your bathroom countertop area. You get 2 sinks. This is extended super nice and big because under this is your kitchen bay that we saw outside. So it's not wasted space. It's actually just, it worked out, didn't it? You get cabinetry above here. It's kind of nice to get 1 and 2. And then you get the one in the middle as well for shared stuff. Back here, you even have more room, towels, whatever. I mean, this goes so deep. That'll engulf my whole arm if I try to like I haven't even touched the end yet. So I'll let you peek in that. I want you to see it. It's super deep. And then take a look at the shower right here as well. I love the shower. This has a roller shade. It's nice. I like it. That's a massive bathroom, by the way. You don't see those too often. Then there's your door. Close off your bathroom for the privacy. And, you know, I love the color palette. I love the build. This is built with Azdel in the side of the walls. So the pluses of that is your walls are not made of wood. They're made of a composite that's impervious to rot, decay, mold, mildew, and delamination. So your walls can never rot or get any water damage, basically. So if you have any questions about this rig at all, you can just give me a call. My name is CoBuystedt. You can call 541-735-1535. Again, I'm based in Junction City, Oregon, and I'd be happy to help you out. Thank you.